Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6A and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So you can either use the icon with the button with a square icon if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, or simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center like that, and after releasing you will enter the recents. So if you want to, you can close, for example, only one of those apps or 2 of them, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened, simply tap on this trash bin icon and we've got this information, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.